Wow, this campus is bigger than I expected. Wait, is this building A or building B?
Hey there! Need some help? You look a little lost.
Oh, hi. Yeah, a little bit. I'm looking for room 204. Is it in this building?
Yep, that's building B. Room 204 is on the second floor. Just go straight and take the stairs on your right.
Got it. Thanks a lot. I'm Noah, by the way. First day here.
I'm Maya. Welcome to Maple College. Noah, what are you studying?
Media studies. How about you?
Tourism management, but I have a class in building B right now too.
Thanks, Maya. It's a really beautiful morning today.
It really is. Are you excited for your first day?
Honestly, I'm a bit nervous because everything is so new. Hey guys, what's up?
Noah, this is Ben. We're in the same sound design class. He's a new student, and he's looking for building B.
Nice to meet you, Ben. I'm Noah. Welcome! Don't worry, I got lost 3 times on my first day here. A little nervous, but mostly excited.
Don't worry, you're gonna do great. I have a class in building B right now.
Me too! I'm heading to Building B for sound design. That's great! We can all walk together then.
Class starts in 5 minutes. Let's walk to building B together.
Wow. Is this Building B? It's bigger than I expected.
Welcome to building B. You'll spend a lot of time here.
It looks really modern. I like it already. Wait until you see the inside. It's even better. Really? Let's go!
Come on, I'll show you around.
Welcome to Building B. Most of our classes are in this building. Wow. It's so bright in here.
I got lost here yesterday.
Really?
This building was renovated last year. Most English classes are here.
It feels brand new. The library is upstairs. You'll like it. Do students study there every day?
Almost every day. These lockers belong to students.
Some students keep their books here. Everything looks very organized.
Wait until you see the classrooms.
Now I'm excited. There are so many students here. Is it always this busy?
Pretty much. It gets even busier before class.
Do students usually stay here between classes? Yeah. Some people study, some just hang out. I like the atmosphere.
That's why I love building B.
Everyone seems friendly. You'll make lots of friends here. I hope so.
I'm sure you will.
Wait until tomorrow. Your first class will be fun. I can't wait. All these hallways look the same. I'm afraid I'll get lost. Don't worry, I got lost during my first week. Really? What happened? I walked into the wrong classroom. Everyone stared at me.
He even sat down before he realized it.
That sounds so embarrassing. It was, but now it's a funny memory.
You'll be fine. We'll help you.
Thanks for showing me around today. I already feel more comfortable.
You're always welcome. We're happy you're here.
Tomorrow, we'll go to your first English class. I can't wait. I'm ready.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and join us in the next episode.